In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a public profile on Snapchat just like this. But before we start, there are a few disclaimers. The first being that Snapchat is still rolling out this feature, so there is a chance that it just won't work for you. And the second disclaimer being that to be eligible for this feature, you need to be at least 18 years old, and if you do change your age on Snapchat, you will have to wait at least a week before you see this option available. And remember, that is even if your account is eligible for this feature. Okay, so if your account is eligible for this feature, what you have to do is come into your Snapchat app and then go to your profile by hitting your Bitmoji or profile picture. You would have to come to the cog icon at the top right of the page, scroll down until you see the Who Can section. Once you're here, you want to turn on Contact Me to everyone, send me notifications to everyone, view my story to everyone. You can leave See My Location to whatever you like, or even Ghost Mode, and finally turn Show Me in Quick Add on. Once you have done this, go back using the arrow at the top left and then press the three dots next to the Add Snap Map. And the option to create your public profile will pop up, so just press that, then press Continue and get started. A dialog box will come up and tell you what will happen when you create a public profile and inform you that you can edit or delete your public profile at any time. To continue, just press create and there you have it, you've created your public profile. And now when you go to your profile, scroll down to my public profile to view and edit your profile. Now, if you're not eligible, you can download a VPN on your phone, and if you want to see how to do that, click on the banner at the top right of this video now to be taken to that video. But anyway, you have to set your connection to the US and you'll have a higher chance of getting this feature, but the only problem with that is before you open the Snapchat app, you will always have to connect to the VPN every time. But that currently is the only way to go about improving your chances of being eligible. Otherwise, you'll just have to wait until it's rolled out to everyone. Okay, so if you have any further questions, leave them down below in the comments and I'll try and help you out. But if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe as it helps to get this video out to more people, and don't forget to let me know in the comments if this is still working. I'll see you next time. Bye.